How to brush your teeth. Brushing your teeth is just for a white smile and fresh breath, is critical for your overall health. 1. When you brush, you remove plaque, at a film of bacteria that stick to your teeth and will create cavity, gum disease, and if you ignore it long enough, will cause your teeth to fall out. You know how to brush, but if you would like to learn how to brush your teeth efficiently, the suggestion will help. Using the right tool. Use a go toothbrush. Use a toothbrush with soft nylon bristle. You must effectively remove plaque and debris from your teeth, without irritating the gum or eroding tout enamel like a bristled brush can do when used with sideway action. The toothbrush should also fit comfortably in your hand, and have a small and not too easily area of your teeth, especially on the back. If you have difficulty fitting the toothbrush into your mouth, it is probably too big. 2. Electric toothbrush are agreeable choice if you are a lazy brusher and think that electric toothbrush might encourage you to spend more time on your teeth. However, you can do just a good of a job with a manual toothbrush, a lint technique. On a good method is to brush with a manual toothbrush in the morning and using electric toothbrush at night. You should definitely avoid toothbrush with natural bristle made from animal errors can harbor bacteria and must be replaced more frequently. Replace your toothbrush regularly. The bristle will wear out over time, losing their flexibility and effectiveness. You should purchase a new toothbrush every 3 to 4 months, or as soon as the bristle start to splay out and lose their shape. Visual inspection of the toothbrush is more important than actual timeline. You can also buy toothbrush whose handle will change color when it time to purchase a new toothbrush. Research have found that using of microbial toothbrush bristle handle home, and can cause infection. À bout remonte, bristle become char due to friction and can cause your gum trouble. Alverance your brush after using it, and store it upright and covered so that it can dry before your next use. Otherwise bacteria will grow. 3. Use a fluoride toothpaste. It not only helps remove plaque, but it also helps strengthen tout enamel. 4. Is important to note that fluoride toothpaste is not to be swallowed. A ingesting too much can have serious health consequences. It should not be used for children under the age of 3. 5. You can get toothpaste to target with a variety of dental and gum problems, including cavity, tartar, sensitive teeth and gum, gingivitis and stained teeth. Opt for to honest with your best or ask your dentist or hygienist for advice. 6. Use dental floss. Flossing your teeth is just as important as brushing. It remove biltu plaque, bacteria and foul particles that get trapped between the teeth, which soft floppy toothbrush bristle can ria even when used with a bar oblique de natural motion. You should always floss before brushing your teeth so that if other bacteria that come loose during flossing 2 and remain in your mouth. Remember to floss gently. Don't snap the floss between the teeth that can irritate sensitive gum. As it done gently, following the curve of a tooth. If you find dental floss awkward to use, or you have a brass, look for dental pick instead. These are small wooden or plastic stick which you can insert between teeth, achieving the same result as flossing if space are large enough. Mastering the brushing technique. Use a small amount of toothpaste. Squeeze only a sized amount of toothpaste onto your toothbrush. Applying too much toothpaste can cause overusing, tempting you to spit and finish too early. Plus, it increases the risk of you ingesting more fluoride-free toothpaste, which is very unhealthy. 7. If brushing is painful, try brushing more gently with accurate bar oblique de motion only or switch to a toothpaste formulated for sensitive teeth. Set your bristle at gum line à 45 degrés angle. Gently brush with a short, vertical or circular motion. Don't brush across your teeth. 8. Ask your dentist or hygienist to pursue the correct brushing technique. Span à liste 3 minutes brushing. Brushing juste fait à team, work your way around your routine à circle saute à you jet every tout, spending à bout 12 to 15 secondes in a spot. If it help, you can divide your mood into quadrant, top left, top right, bottom left, en bottom right. If you spend 30 secondes on a quadrant, you le jet a full 2 minutes of brushing team. Pre-starting at the de l'oelette tête, moving at to the loe right, ten the du p right to up left. Change tout ainsi du per en brush ainsi du p right, ainsi de loe right, en finale ainsi de loe left. If you jet bored, try brushing your teeth while watching television or a song to yourself while you brush. Brushing your teeth forte duration of anti-sungwilan sur ta you brush thoroughly. Brush your molar. Position te toute brush saute perpendicular to your lip, or saute te briste le hair resting on top of your bottom molar. Work te toute brush in and out motion, en move from the back of your mouth to the front. Ten complete motion doing s rotational movement of the brush in order to eliminate bacteria which have been dislocated from the surface. Repea on the side of your mouth. When the bottom teeth are clean, flip the toothbrush over and work on the top molar. To access to the top molars always swing at low jaw to the side you are working on. The will increase the space available to move your brush up and down by several times so that no side motion occur. Brush thin surface of your teeth. Tip the toothbrush so that the head of the toothbrush is pointing over your gum line, en brush at tout. Dentist report at most commonly skipped area it inside of the lower front teeth, sob sur no to forget those. Check ta your mouth opening with an hook beholding teeth apart with two or three fingers of your teeth. Ti will allow correct vertical angle to re-edge of gum. 9. Gently brush your tongue. After you've cleaned your teeth, use the bristle of your toothbrush to gently clean your tongue. Don't press too hard, or you'll damage the tissue, help keep bad breath away and get rid of bacteria on your tongue. Finishing up. Rinse out your mouth. If you use to rinse after brushing, take a sip of water from a disposable cup, or cup your own the faucet. Swish it around your mouth, and spit it out. Note that some de bâton wet or not recommended. Will some felt introduce efficacy of the topical fluoride treatment, otter wish to ensure that no fluoride ingested. There are also those WHO just dans les cavignes toothpaste in sermouth. If you are high risk of getting cavity, it may be beneficial not to rinse, or rinse with just a small amount of water, effectively creating a fluoride mouthwash. 10. Haute study have shown that rinsing after brushing has no significant impact on the effectiveness of brushing with a fluoride toothpaste. 11. Rinse your toothbrush. Hold your toothbrush under running water for a few seconds to remove any bacteria from the brush. If you don't rinse the toothbrush properly, you can actually introduce old bacteria into your mouth the next time you use it. Rinsing also remove any leftover toothpaste. Place your toothbrush some euro to il readily dry out. Otherwise, bacteria can grow. Finish with a fluoride based mouthwash, optional. Take a small sip of mouthwash, swish it in your mouth for about 30 seconds, and spit it out. Be careful not to swallow it. Rinse your mouth with salt water, optional. Salt water kills the bad bacteria on your teeth. Try a remove ta salt water acidic and can erode teeth if used too often. Better not to use it too often, like anything, too much of anything bad. For a complete antibacterial protection rinse with a chlorhexidine mouthwash before going to bed, but don't use it for long temps to week in a row. Remember to brush at least twice a day. Most dentists recommend a you brush at least twice a day, once in the morning and once before bed. If you can find a time some in the middle, even better. Try brushing à 45 degrés angle ATL promove plaque en faute bar oblique drink particles on your tête bet étant if you did it normally. You should also try to avoid snacking between meal much possible, a-t-il reçu in more food debris en bacteria building, up in tmouth.